Welcome back again to my channel. So manufacturing industries part 3 इसे हम खत्म ही कर देते हैं because already I've created two parts. Okay, तो लंबा नहीं खींचना. Let's begin with the topic that is where the setup is being done of the factories of industries. जहाँ पे भी industries एक दूसरे से जुड़ते हैं, एक दूसरे को help कर पाते हैं. The communicating part, transporting part, labors, availability of resources. उन जगहों पे मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्रीज को सेटअप किया जाता है so it will be easy to run in a long term. Okay, so we have few countries on the back of me. You can check 1, 2, 3 or again like we have some other countries. So with the help of these manufacturing industries बहुत सारा production किया जाता है and lots of demands have been getting fulfilled of the people like us, for the common people and of the market. Okay, so let's talk about for the 8 industrial belts in India. First we have the Mumbai-Pune region, like we have for Hooghly. After Hooghly we have for Suranagpur, then Visakhapatnam, Puducherry, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu. After that we have Delhi, Gurugram, Beirut and Kollam, Thiruvananthapuram. So these are the industrial belts through which the manufacturing, then transportation, communication system is getting improved for people like us और हमें वो जितनी भी सुख सुविधाएं हैं हमारे हाथों तक पहुंच जाती है. So many people are working to do all this and these are the industrial belts. On the screen you can check for the usage of utility of iron and steel. So these are all the details. How the mass production is getting done, where the steel, the iron is getting used, and for what purpose. The way industries are getting constructed with the help of the iron and steel. How the steel is getting obtained through the ores, how the smelting processes. You can check for the smelting processes on the screen. So with the help of the iron and steel or the manufacturing industry structures are getting constructed, automobiles, the cars are getting manufactured with the help of the iron and steel, especially the steel. On the screen on the map you can check for the manufacturing or the extraction of the iron and steel. For the locations you can check. For the regions where the manufacturing is getting done, like Jamshedpur, Jamshed Tata, then we have the iron biggest ore, we have got it. You can check for the location. One of the leading industry now in India is the textile industry for wearing the clothes and the fabrics and the material required for us in a daily usage for wearing. So this is the textile industry, the manufacturing industry that requires the cotton. Through the Gujarat also, as we have learned through the history that the cotton mill workers, Bombay and Gujarat. So Ahmedabad, one of the centers, is also called as the Manchester of India for production. Next we have for the chemical industries. Nowadays our life is completely involved and made up of the chemical products. So these chemical industries are setting their level on peak where these chemicals have been used for production of the fertilizers, then paints, then our daily required foodstuffs. So with the help of these chemical industries, many products are getting manufactured. You can check for the examples also behind me. Okay. Okay, the next topic which we have, that is the engineering industry. Obviously, by the word or the name of engineer, it will automatically come in your mind that the one who makes the things or the one who designs for the things, like cars are there, towers, your towers are there, the industry structures are there, then factories are there, houses there, all engineering types. So we require cement is required, steel is required, iron is required, aluminium is required. So all this stuff is done by the engineers. So after this we have a comparative study of the industry. So if we talk about industries, with the help of it, our transportation is getting improved, then our communication is getting improved, then the network system is getting more stronger, the market is getting more stronger, and our demands are getting fulfilled. Now, if we talk about some of the examples have been given in this chapter, that is of Detroit, the steel, iron and steel industry, manufacturing industry, and Silicon Valley, and Bangalore. For the IT industry, for improving for the network system and communication system. At the last, if we talk about the textile industry and for the communication industry or IT industry. So first, like textile industry to improve or to provide the basic requirement of the people of the clothes. Okay, this was started through the Ahmedabad in the olden time, and still it is getting carried on. And now the market is completely coming together to improve the supply of the textile or the fabric. Next week, if we talk about for the IT industry, so Bangalore and all over the other states where the technology is getting advanced, as I talk about Pune, which is also known for the IT sector, there the communication system, internet system or GPS system, all this technology is getting advanced, so the market will be combined, will be connected without any disturbance. So this was all about the manufacturing industry, and thanks for watching. If you require more updates regarding this or any other chapter, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be making a video on the basis.